Hey guys, how's it going? How to refund games in Steam. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead, if you have a specific game in mind, go to account settings and then go to the account details, and then you're gonna be able to see in your account details the view purchase history. Go ahead and click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to see the specific game that you want to actually refund, right? Or you didn't like, for example. So you can request a refund for nearly any purchase on Steam for many reasons. Maybe your PC doesn't meet the hardware requirements, and maybe you bought a game by mistake. Maybe you played the title for an hour and just didn't like it, right? And you want to see where the refunds applies to know if you are eligible for that. The refunds on downloadable content, Steam Store content usable with another game or software or application, DLC. You can refund on in-game purchases, refund on the titles purchased prior to the release date, Steam Wallet refunds, renewable subscriptions, Steam hardware, refunds on bundles, and VAC bans and purchases made outside of Steam, and refunds on gifts and all that, or abuse. Refunds are designed to remove the risk from purchasing the titles on Steam, not as a way of to get free games. If it appears to us that you are abusing refunds, we may stop offering them to you. Okay, and here, if you want to learn how to request a refund, go to the help.steampower.com, and then you can be able to go to the specific game that you want assistance with, and you're gonna be able to request a refund by logging through your account. As I said before, you have the first step. You can go ahead and log in to your account and then go to the account settings, and then you're gonna see the account details, and then click view purchase history. Select the game that you want to actually refund, and tell them why you want to actually refund that game, and then basically that's it. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.